Again a very important question. Now the question is limit x approaches to a, x raised to power a minus a raised to power x upon x raised to power x minus a raised to power a. So this becomes 0 upon 0 form. First thing, now in this question, if we are going for the differentiation part, L'Hospital rule, so what we are getting, limit x approaches to a, d by dx of x raised to power a minus a raised to power x upon dx of x raised to power x minus a raised to power a. L'Hospital rule. Limit x approaches to a. Now it is x raised to power a, so we are having a with x raised to power a minus 1 negative of a raised to power x log a upon d by dx of x raised to power x minus 0. One thing up to here. Now what to do for this part? Okay. So what we will be writing now? Limit x approaches to, we can directly write let y is equal to x raised to power x. Okay. So basically when it is x approaches to a raised to power a, so now for this part what we will be taking, log y is equal to x log x, then 1 upon y with dy by dx is equal to x as it is, first function as it is, derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x, plus log x as it is, derivative of this part. So we can write it now, dy by dx is equal to y with 1 plus log x, or d by dx of y what we have supposed, x raised to power x is equal to x raised to power x 1 plus log x. So now in place of this part we are going to put this value, we are going to substitute this value. Now limit x approaches to a raised to power x a minus 1 negative of a raised to power x log a upon, now d by dx of x raised to power x is what, which term, this term, x raised to power x 1 plus log x. Okay. Now this substituting a, so we are having now a raised to power a minus a raised to power a log a upon a raised to power a 1 plus log a raised to power a 1 minus log a upon a raised to power a 1 plus log a 1 minus log a upon 1 plus log a, and this is the answer.